good. Everybody complains that people in wheelchairs get a bunch of disability money. I mean, with all my money, don't you think I could have got better helpers? Come on. It's also rough doing comedy being me, because if I suck, it's not like I'm done. No, I'm not. All right. No, being at comedy school, it's given me a lot of new opportunities. I recently just got in a relationship because of comedy, and I got with a Latina. I knew it was low when she said, "If you don't go out with me, I'll cut you." Hey, all right. She goes up to me. She goes, "I need your placard." Why? I'm not walking far anymore. Okay? We're here for a reason. All right, cool. I mean, what strikes me as odd is being single and being in a relationship aren't really that different. No one wants to listen to me anyway. No, I realized. What was that? Yeah, exactly. You tell us. My mom always told me that the men wear the pants. You guys just tell us which ones to put on.
I did tell him that.
What? So true. That's right. He speaks the truth. He's a prophet. No, what I realized is when I was single, my forearms got insanely big. And so did my bank account. But within a week of dating this girl, my forearms have decreased in size twofold, and I've had to file for bankruptcy. It's rough. It's rough being a wheelchair comic, being a disabled comic, because Diego touched on the fact that you saw a guy in a wheelchair working out at the gym, and it makes me feel like crap because I skipped leg day at the gym, and it's like he's working on his legs. What an asshole. I get a lot of times, hey, it was a delayed reaction, it's alright. That's funny now. It's the alcohol. The alcohol's slowing people up. It's alright. You guys are all honorary handicaps when you're drunk. We'll start a union. I'll just get all you guys drunk and we'll have a party. No, what's difficult, especially for me, is the average girl that I date, her average height is 5'10".
Wow.
And my girlfriend's 6 foot.
Oh my God.
It's upsetting because she's like, "Hey, can you see all this crowd of people?" I'm like, "No, put me on your shoulders." Stop running so fast. I need to see. Relax. Or she's like, "Oh, let's go to the creek." I'm like, "All right." There's a fence. Okay, and she starts climbing the fence. I look up, I go, and I turn into like a baby. I'm like, "Ah." The biggest problem we have right now is she feels like I'm not masculine enough, and that's kind of a struggle sometimes. And I know what she's expecting. She's expecting because she's extremely beautiful, and guys tend to hit on her a lot. They're like, "Hey, baby, why don't you come over here with the real man?" And she's like, "Are you gonna? Thank you. Are you gonna say something?" I'm like, "What do you want me to say? I'm 3 feet in my chair." like I'll kick him, I'll give him a little, but you're right behind me pushing my ass. This isn't a game. Let's go. Let's keep it moving. It's scary though, because her parents are kind of old school, and I met her mother, and the first thing she says to me is, "How are you going to provide for my daughter?" First point, right? Can you a little bit, And I said, well, like I said, great parking. No bunions on her feet. She won't be in pain, right? We get this, health, exactly, good health care. We get discounted tickets to Disneyland. And she's gonna feel really good after we're done because she's gonna end up in a wheelchair. Yeah, I know you guys can probably tell that I'm short, and even in my chair. Like the chair is just an excuse. Like this is an illusion. No, it's not an illusion. I really am short, and that's because my mother. My mother's about 4 foot on a good day.
I'm not.
And it's rough because my father's Latino, and he's the hairiest man on the planet. My mom's probably the shortest person on the planet. So I got a gorilla, a lollipop kid, and comes out a kid in a wheelchair. I need to start my own circus. I can make some serious money off of this. But you know, it's really cool being a comic and you know hearing some of the pickup lines you know that I get, and I get a lot of times you know sorry, why are you in a wheelchair? Because my legs couldn't hold it. Hold what? The 10 pounds of schlab hanging between my legs. Thank you very much. That's been my time, ladies and gentlemen.